Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Junkyard here. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Junkyard. Well, today we are cooking Mexican pizza. Now, I already had a successful pizza before, and I figured, well, what the heck? I've seen these on the menu at that place called Bell's something, so I figured, what the heck? Let's make a homemade Mexican pizza. Let's get started.
If you're looking for cool videos, then you're at the right place. From PC to the console, and leave a smile on your face. Junkyard, Junkyard. Get ready to watch a video from Junkyard.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. If you have not had a chance as of yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out all our videos. We have so many cooking videos as well as gaming videos. Gosh, just a bushel of everything, I gotta tell you. As well as I stream live every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday on Twitch. If you don't know what Twitch is, the link is down below. We have so much fun over there. It's live interaction. I game on there. I stream live cooking videos on there. We have a lot of fun. So make sure you come over and take a look and have some fun with us live on Twitch. All right, so today what we're doing again is Mexican pizza. I have a preheated oven already at 400 degrees. I have my pizza tray in the bottom. We got 2 racks we're gonna be utilizing. Just if you have not had a chance to watch my previous video as far as the pizza one, check that one out. You'll see pretty much the identical setup that we did over there. Now, what we're doing over here is we have our tortilla. Now, dummy me, I thought I was recording and I was not. So I started already making this pizza. So let me go ahead and revamp what we've done. We have a flour tortilla. I put some refried beans on this. Refried beans, again, I just use Rositas. Again, if you got a great refried bean recipe that you use that. You know, you don't have to use Rositas, just refried beans. Just find a good one that you really like and use that. All right, then I have a layer of, I had some ground up hamburger, so I put that on there. And then I put some salsa on there. Now this is some green salsa. This salsa is salsitas. This is actually a homemade salsa. I get it from a coworker, Emma, at work. She makes a great salsa. She makes a variety of. I actually have 3 different salsas of hers right now. This is a green, she has a red, as well as a mango that I have yet to try. And then she has another one, but she has a variety. She has an Instagram channel, an Instagram page, so make sure you check it out. I'll have the link of her Instagram as well as her email channel down below. But Emma makes some great salsa, and I've actually purchased these. Maybe if you guys give her a little bit of love and hit that Instagram, maybe she'll comp me a couple of them. You never know. All right, so next we have a layer of cheese right on top. This is just shredded cheese, Mexican cheese that we put on top, a combination. This cheese blend, I believe it's Monterey Jack, cheddar, and whatever else comes in that package. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this into the oven. And we're gonna pull the tray out. We're gonna bring the pizza over to here. Let's go ahead and get that right there so you can see what's going on. Put that on there, and we're gonna cook this for 2 minutes on the bottom layer. Alexa, give me a 2-minute timer. All right. We'll be back in 2 minutes. All right, in the meantime, while that's cooking, I've already cut up and shredded up some lettuce. This is a tomato, we're gonna just slice that up. We also have, I pulled out some sour cream. And so if you have some black olives or something like that, you can put that on top. I don't have any, so it's all good. We're gonna put some sour cream on this as well. And well, we'll get right back at you. All right, we are a couple minutes in. Go ahead and take this. The cheese is already melted. We're going to move it up to the top tray and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. Alexa, give me a 3-minute timer. All right. In the meantime, I forgot we actually had some avocado in the house, so let's go ahead and slice up this avocado. It's at the point where it does need to get eaten. I can tell it's pretty ripe. Yep, it is. So we got some good parts in here. I'll just slice this up like so, and we'll put some avocado on top of the pizza as well. All right. this is done. Oh my gosh, look at that. Perfect. Get that on the tray there. All right, everybody. That is beautiful. Nice, perfect crisp on the outside. We're gonna add our lettuce to it. Give it a little bit of garnish slash that nice fresh veggie crisp that we like, you know, pretty much like a burrito. We're gonna add our tomatoes to it. Again, if you do have any black olives or jalapenos or any things like that, add it to it. We also have we got a bad spot on the avocado there, so we're gonna get rid of that bad spot. We got some pieces of avocado here we could add to it. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look how good that looks, everybody. All right. Now what we're gonna do also is add a dollop. Let's do this first. Let's go ahead and cut it. Okay, just with our pizza slicer. Add a dollop of sour cream on it. On the slice we're just eyeballing right there. Oh, look at that. Where's my plate? All right, let's see how this tastes. Don't really see how it could go wrong. It's Mexican food, and I love Mexican food more than anything. Simple, fun. I like the way that the tortilla is crisped up. It's almost like a chimichanga, but it's not because it's not fried. But it's crispy, like a well, like that Taco Bell has that grilled burrito, and this is, you know, it's crispy all the way through. It's crispy on both sides. I'm gonna actually fold this one up. It's a little bit more moist than the other pizza I made. But it's great. Simple, fun, different. And that's the point. When it comes to cooking, have fun with it. Make something different. You know, it's a great little piece of artistic value, honestly. You put it on a plate and you serve that to somebody, they're gonna have a lot of fun with it. It's like, ooh, look at that. Good, I love it. This is great. So, Mexican burrito. I don't know where my towel is. Mexican pizza, you can't go wrong. Give this one a try, you'll love it, as well as make sure you check out all my other videos. We're having so much fun back here on YouTube. Again, I've been on YouTube for over a decade. Yes, I had a little bit of lull in there, but I'm back, and I'm back with vengeance, everybody. Make sure you come over to our Twitch channel as well. We stream every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, and we're having so much fun. And also, if you have a little bit of extra, you'd like to go ahead and take a look at our Patreon. The link is down below. Cannot thank you guys enough. This is Junkyard. Thanks for watching, everybody. Needless to say, keep cooking. Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Junkyard here. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Junkyard. Well, today we are cooking Mexican pizza. Now, I already had a successful pizza before, and I figured, well, what the heck? This is a tortilla. Let's see what a Mexican tastes like. Holy shit. Not a Mexican. Oh, 40 and slip.